Okay.
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican. Y'all know I love me some Puerto Rican. I felt Puerto Rican in this. Rican. Ooh. Beady, beady, beady. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Perfectly normal. But then when I make this voice, she's gonna go crazy and try to kiss my face. Oh.
Rick, that's a bone right there. Did you know that? Did you mean to do that?
Are you snuggling with all your friends, Buzz? Huh? Are you snuggling with all your friends? You got your...
Her heart just pop, 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 pop. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. I know you're working on a big old turd.
Se va haciendo aquí el bulto, ¿verdad? Como ustedes comprenderán, yo tengo un ayudante muy ayudador, ¿sí? Entonces...
What? What are you saying? Does you mean you want to go out? Is that what it is?
Hey, baby, I miss you. Go get Daddy. I know. Hi. Are you being a nosy neighbor?
River, let's go outside. I know you're so comfortable, but it's time to go outside.
Tá rindo pra mamãe. Tá, mamãezinha. Ah, não, mãe.
Se for dar pai, dá cheiro.
Harness on.
Callie, you want to go outside? It's snow. We go outside. She's not happy.
Oh my God. You stop it.
This, I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me.
Get it out, girl.
Stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch.
came back into the bed, I looked at him, I was like, so you're not gonna tell me goodnight? And he was like, respectfully, no. So instantly when he said that, I was like, yo, fuck that. But after everything that has happened.
Have a kiss, puppy? Okay, okay. It was just one. It was just one.
Me dá esse copo aqui.
O atual deixou ela no hospital.
Me dá esse copo.
O Dionísio Freitas está
Me dá esse.
Teddy.
What? What are you saying? Do you mean you want to go out?
spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what's in here?
Pantera, Pantera. Hey, ven, ven.
What job did he work? Is he dead? Axel, put your tongue in your mouth. Thank you.
Do you want breakfast?
Does anyone else have this problem? Oh, come on. Come on. Come on.
Tú no le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi mano! ¡Con mi mano!
Pues es que me dices.
¡No, con mi mano!
Go away.
Master chocolatier.
We get to another level with the iconic chocolate of Hershey's Kisses.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly. Holly. You're so pretty.
What? I thought it was about you.
Kevin, give me back my purse. Kevin, give me it.
Why does he do that? He puts his face up against everybody. Milo, be nice. All right, you're ridiculous.
Trick? Want to show your trick? You ready? You ready? Get it!
Yay! Let's go.
Small bite. Small. Small.
God. What a dope here. Here. Oh man. Stop. Knocking my door.
What you doing?